beautiful girls and guys out there, Angel here. Our following muñeca, she is from Washington DC, and she's here to get a circular tummy tuck. Stay tuned to see the rest. Let's get them. All right, beautiful girl. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, where are you coming from?
Washington DC.
Oh, we got Washington in the house. Nothing but good vibes for muñeca. She is gonna do amazing. Again, good vibes and prayers for a beautiful girl that comes all the way from Washington. Full body sculpture, lipo, circular tummy tuck. Beautiful girls and guys out there, Angel here. Our beautiful muñeca is doing amazing. I know family and friends is watching, so she's doing great. Stay tuned to see the Let's get them. Beautiful girls and guys out there, we're almost done with our beautiful muñeca. She got a circular tummy tuck muscle repair, Lipo BBL. She's looking amazing. Be posting how much it came out. I'm gonna say we're all betting here to see how much it weighs. So I'm gonna go weigh and I'll be back. Ciao. Let's get them. Alright, beautiful girls and guys out there, so this is a circular tummy tuck. If you can see, this is part of her back. This is one of her love handles in the back. So when you see these lines, that means it was kind of like folded in. So this is basically the back part, and then this is her stomach. All of this is her stomach, and then again from here to here, all of this is her back again. So it was 28 pounds. This is really heavy. Again, here at Muñecas, we take care of girls with high BMIs. As long as you girls are candidates. We'll see you here. Ciao. Let's get them. Wow, I can barely hold that up. And I'm trying to work out. Those 28 pounds. Our beautiful muñeca is gonna have so much better walking posture, and our knees are not gonna hurt as much. 28 pounds is a lot. This is extremely heavy. It was a big piece that's been taken out. Really happy to say that our beautiful muñeca is gonna feel so much better. See, it's right there. Your tummy's all gone. 28 pounds, baby. Are you cold? Yeah. 28 pounds. Hi, beautiful girls and guys out there. Angel here. Another beautiful day here at Muñecas. All of our beautiful girls are doing amazing. I'm heading out and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao. Las quiero.